making some salt dough today for our handprints. So good messy one, you can get your hands stuck into this. You have got flour, salt and water. Whatever the quantity is, basically half the salt to the flour and about the same water. Mush it all together till it comes to a dough and keep working it and working it and working it. You can do this or your kids can do this depending on their age. And then we've got to get it so that we can roll it out. You can roll it out with a rolling pin, or if you don't have a rolling pin, it can be a glass or a bottle. If it gets stuck, you can use a little bit of flour on your rolling pin. About half to a quarter-inch thick. Make sure then you roll it out onto whatever you're going to bake it on. So we did baking parchment because then you need to be able to transfer it to the oven as soon as you've done it. So that's my handprint squished in. We were doing like a lockdown project for this one. So my two little ones did their handprints. Make sure you give them a good squish in to leave the indentation. And then I squeezed in with toothpick our lockdown 2020, but actually you could just write this on with marker at the end. It goes into a low oven for about 4 hours till it's completely dry, and when it's cool you can paint it. So we painted our handprints different colours. We used acrylic paint, and then I went over the scratching bit with like a black pencil, and I actually gave the whole thing just a little spray of varnish at the end.